What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're actually going to be installing this lip on the car. I got this from ProCivic. It was about 120 bucks shipped. Let me show you how it looks. Yeah, it's going to look pretty good. It is recommended to get underneath the car because you do need to drill into the car. So what I did was I just put a jack stand on one side and jack on the other, just to get it off the ground a little bit so I can have a little bit of leverage. Since the car is lowered, you can't get the drill underneath it to actually make the holes. It came with some screws right here, and I also brought my own self-tapping screws just in case. But I also have drill bits, so if I need to make a hole, I can, and everything will slide in and out pretty easily. So you're pretty much gonna need two right here, as it's mocked up, two on the other side, and it already has the holes in the lip on where you're gonna be pre-drilling them to match the bottom of the bumper. So it should look something like this. Here's a picture on screen from ProCivic's website. The reason why I went with this one was because the only other lip out there, let me say that, all the lips for this car look the same to me. They all have the wind jet on the side, which surprisingly I did not want for this car. But I settled for this one just so I can get a little bit more of an aggressive look in the front. The other one that I really wanted was the Greddy lip. Now, that one is like a $600 to $700 carbon fiber Greddy lip. I do not want that for this car, at least anytime soon. So I settled for this one. Everyone that's had it has no complaints. They said it lasts long, it's good. And I do like that it has almost like a glossy material finish. So the car's dirty, but it'll match the gloss on the car, which I actually wanted a gloss finish, because if it was matte, I would have just painted it gloss. Put like a gloss clear coat on top to make it match the wheels and some of the trims on the car. Other than like the mesh, everything else is gloss. Take it out. So guys, when you put this lip on, turn it around, Hector, it has like a little section in the middle where it's gonna be cupped right into here. So it actually levels it out. Make sure. It actually puts it on for you pretty good. So slides on right through there. So if you hold it on that side, Hex, this is how it's gonna look. Dude, it actually looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. It's like we're done. Just leave it on there like that. It's okay. Right? So all we're gonna do is start mocking it up, and we are good to go.
It comes with self-tapping screws, right?
Yeah. Just hold it. So when you guys look at the drill, you got your piece right here. I'm gonna drill it with a smaller drill bit so that when this goes in, makes the hole, and this goes in, it's gonna come in really easily. So right now we're just gonna pre-drill all the holes into the bumper. Having an extra pair of hands helps, guys. This is actually being held on by itself. I haven't drilled anything yet. That's how it's gonna look. So we're gonna go ahead and start drilling. Screw in. All right, one side done, let's go to the other side. So you guys can see it mocked up on its own pretty good. I only put the side bolts on. Now we're gonna work on the bottom. This is actually going to be fairly easy because you have, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, That's the 6th one. That's the 5th one. That's the 6th one. So all I'm gonna do right now is just start pre-drilling the holes in all of these. And then we're gonna start putting the other ones on. Real quick, guys, when you install these ones, make sure you only drill not a lot, a little bit, because then if you drill too much, you're gonna go through the bumper through the top. And that will not be good. Cool. So all the drills, all the holes are pretty much done. So we're gonna start putting the screws in there. Lips done, guys.
That's it?
Yeah, pulling it down just a little bit to give it some force, but it's not giving up. Everything's set. All right, now we just gotta lower the car down. Heck, it brought it out pretty good. Yeah. We gotta do the rollers now.
Oh, hell yeah.
It brought it out so good, dude. S2K? You can't see it from here. I want one so bad.
So do I, but I don't fit.
I fit, surprisingly. Guys, this looks really good. So simple install, but we got a lip on the car. Car looks amazing.
Are you releasing both videos together?
No, separate videos. No, I'll release one tomorrow and then one the next day. I don't have a schedule. I never have a schedule when I do videos. Oh. I just post it whenever. So if I have content, I'll post it. If I don't, then oh well. ProCivic lip, guys, really easy to install. I was able to do it in like maybe 10 minutes, maybe less. You just do need to get underneath the car. So other than that, I do highly recommend it, and we'll go from there. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We got 2 Civics on the channel. We got a coupe and we got a sedan. And if you guys saw the last video, the Greddy DDR exhaust, or the new Greddy exhaust that's on here, sounds perfect. So link will be in the description for this video if you guys missed that one. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.